Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast issue. If your iPhone battery is draining faster than it should, there are several steps you can take to fix the problem. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all you have to do is check your battery usage. So guys, identify which apps are draining your battery the most. You have to go to the settings and then tap on battery. After this, then check which apps section to see which apps are consuming the most power. Consider limiting the use of high drain apps or updating them. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve battery draining issues. Open the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying these steps, then you have to do is turn off the background app refresh on your iPhone. This feature allows apps to update content in the background, which can drain your battery. To disable it, you have to simply open the background app refresh, again tap on it and you have to make sure that it's set to off. After this, then you have to do is adjust your screen brightness and timeout. Reducing your screen brightness and setting a shorter auto lock time can significantly save your battery life. So guys, you have to do is simply open the display and brightness, scroll down and then tap on auto lock and you have to do is simply set to it 30 seconds. After setting it to 30 settings, then you have to do is simply open the accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and you can see your option auto brightness. Simply tap on it and enable it. So guys, after enabling these steps, then you have to do is simply disable the location services. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Again tap on it, location services, and you will see your option location services. Simply tap on it, tap on turn off and turn it off. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset all settings on your iPhone. If all else fails, try resetting all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. To do this, you have to simply scroll up and tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone battery draining fast issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.